In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import spreadsheet data into Trello, a popular project management software. Importing data can save you time and streamline your workflow, allowing you to make the most of Trello's organizational capabilities. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Trello board where you want your data to be imported. Open your web browser and log into Trello. Once you're logged in, go to the board that will host your spreadsheet data. This might be a board you already use for other projects or a new one specifically created for this purpose. Now, with your board open, look for the option labeled Power Ups located on the right side of your screen. Power Ups in Trello are features that enhance your board's functionality. Click on this option to reveal a list of available Power Ups. This is where you'll find the tool you need to import your spreadsheet data. Next, click on Add Power Ups. This will allow you to search through Trello's vast array of options to find exactly what you need. When the search bar appears, type in Trello Import. This should help you locate the right power-up designed to import spreadsheet data into Trello. Once you see the correct power-up in the search results, click on Add to enable it on your board. Adding this power-up is as simple as clicking a button and confirming that you want it added to your Trello board. It's important to make sure that it's properly installed for the rest of the process to work smoothly. With the power-up successfully added, it's time to choose the file you want to import. Click on the option that says Add Again to initiate the import feature, then select the button labeled Choose File. This will open a file picker window on your computer, letting you browse through your files. Navigate to the location where your spreadsheet is stored, select your file, and confirm your choice. Now your selected file will appear in the power-up. Click on Check and Import Spreadsheet.csv to ensure everything is set up correctly before finalizing the import. This will allow Trello to process your file and prepare to integrate its data into the board. Lastly, once the import is complete and you are satisfied with how your data looks on Trello, simply close the menu to exit the power-up interface. And there you have it. Your spreadsheet data is now successfully imported into Trello, ready to be used in your project management workflow. This process is a great example of how Trello's flexibility can be enhanced with the right features. By following these steps, you can keep your data organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more productivity tips.